following message is transmitted at the request of the Forest Service Sawtooth Avalanche Center. The Forest Service Sawtooth Avalanche Center in Ketchum has issued an avalanche warning timing in effect from 6:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time this morning until 7:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. Affected area for the Smoky Boulder and Sawtooth Mountains, including the mountains near Galena Summit, Smiley Creek, and Stanley. Avalanche danger. The avalanche danger for the warning area is high recent impacts. The combination of heavy snowfall and wind-blown snow is overloading a weak early season snowpack. Widespread areas of unstable snow exist. Both human-triggered and natural avalanches are likely on steep snow-covered slopes and gullies. Precautionary preparedness actions. Backcountry travelers should stay off of and out from underneath slopes steeper than 30 degrees. Choose conservative terrain. Consult www.sawtoothavalanche.com for more detailed information. Similar avalanche danger may exist at locations outside the coverage area of this or any avalanche center. Additional information. This warning does not apply to operating ski areas or highway operations where avalanche hazard mitigation measures are performed.